LG Top-Load Washer Cycle Recommendation: Waterproof. Items in your LG Top-Load washer can be washed more thoroughly by selecting the wash cycle that best suits the type of items in the load. Today we will cover the waterproof cycle. The waterproof cycle is for washing waterproof items such as water-resistant clothing, mattress covers, outdoor clothes, and plastic mats. The load should weigh less than 14 pounds. Do not use any other cycle to wash waterproof items. Also, do not use the waterproof cycle to wash a mixed load of waterproof and non-waterproof items. Do not wash any other fabrics using the waterproof cycle. Always check the fabric care label on the garments before using this cycle. Note that selecting the waterproof cycle automatically incorporates steam into the wash cycle. To select the waterproof cycle, press the power button, then turn the cycle selector knob to waterproof. You can adjust the water temperature as needed by pressing the temp button until the desired temperature is highlighted. Adjust the spin speed as needed by pressing the spin button, and adjust the soil level as needed by pressing the soil button. When finished, press Start. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.